Hello everyone and welcome back. This is Bronx Lock Picker 60 with another challenge lock for you, brought to you by Trekmaster30, and it's a Schlage style KIK 6-pin. That's the key, and the title of this lock is The Cake, and it's pinned by West Coast Picks. And like I said, it's a 6-pinner. And it worked fine, no hang-ups, no nothing, really beautiful. Let's get in a little closer. And let's see if I can get into it. First of all, let's change the angle here so you can see. Let's see, that's better. A little better. Alright, I'm on pin 6. Nothing. Nothing on 5. I got a little click on 4. Click on 3. 2. And click on 1. Little movement. That's 5. That's 6. That was 1. Yep, that was 1. Let's go back. Let's see here. That was 4. I'm sorry. 2. Excuse me. Oops. And I lost everything there. Alright, let's go back. That's 6. Alright, let's try that again. 6, nothing. 5 for movement and click. There you go on 3. Nothing on 1. That was 4. Got a little more movement. Okay, where's that baby? Here we go. I'm using the Attila the Hun, as I refer to it. It's actually Attila. Go to my homemade, see if this is any better. No feedback. There we go. I opened that up on 4 after I said no feedback, and it opened up on 4. Okay. Let me go back like that. Come on, there we go. Let's put that. Set you right there. Excuse me. So if I can get this got it before my tea kettle goes off. Put you here. All right, this is awesome, man. This is my 3rd West Coast Picks challenge lock, but my 2nd on video. So I'm trying to look around the camera. Okay. Just as I started to say, no feedback, and there was. Excuse me, reach. Come on, baby, get in there. Oh. That tea kettle's not going to go off. I didn't turn on the stove, so no hurries. Cool, cool, cool. All right. Let's see what we got here. All right. Excellent. That's the way I like it. Okay. They're all down. They're all below the shear line. That's not going to work, Angela. Let's go this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, they're all there. All right. Let's see what we got here. Let's go over here. Let's go here. One, two. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Easy there, Charlie. 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 5. I tell you, nice tolerance when the pins don't want to come out that easily. Okay. We have double serrated, 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 another serrated. We got like a Come on, baby. That goes spool type here. Camera doesn't want to cooperate. Alright, come on. Anyway, another serrated. They're nice, beautiful pins. And nothing done to the core. So let's unmark it. Okay. Let's see what we got. Hold on a second. Let's see what we got in the Bible. Ooh, easy. Wow. Ah, ha, ha, ha. All right. That's the spring. Come on. Oh, yeah. Beautiful pin and pin. Gosh, pin and pin. And the pin itself is serrated, as well as the outer cover. And is don't spring out. And this is KIK. As zombie locks refers to them. Oh man, this is a I gotta set this down. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. It's a spool with, come on baby. Anyway, it's a spool with a step down, with a like a wedding cake on top of that. That is awesome. And a brass or copper spring. Serrated spool. Oops, serrated spool on 4. If I'm taking my time, it's because these pins deserve it. They're some beautiful pins. I've seen some of his works, some of his I can't get the words out. I've seen some of West Coast Picks pins, but these are by far the best ones I've seen. Another pin and pin. And again, the pin part is serrated. I'll give you a close up to these in a minute. Come on, baby. Steel spring on that. Wrong spot. That is serrated. And brass spring. And as usual, I believe Come on, flashlight, I believe. Yeah, as usual, nothing done to the Bible. He never does. He claims that it tends to interfere with the springs. Let's see if I can get a nice close-up of this here without... I don't have the best camera here. Okay, so I can show you number one here. Key pin is serrated with a pin-in-pin driver, and again it has a as you can see, it has serrations there, steel pin or steel spring, and number two is serrated, number three is serrated, 4 serrated, 5 is a spool, 6 is serrated. Then up top here, it's a wedding cake, a spool with a wedding cake on top. This here is a serrated driver, and another pin with serrations on the pin and serrations on the cover itself, and also a serrated driver pin. And then we have steel, copper, copper, steel, steel, and copper, or brass, whichever way you want to go. So there you go, guys. Thank you for joining me in this adventure. Sorry it took a little long, but these pins deserve it, and so does West Coast Picks for making these pins as beautiful and effective as he does. So thank you for joining me in this adventure. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Please like and share. And as always, stay safe, stay legal. And as always, stay calm and pick on. Thank you so much for joining me. Bye-bye.